Welcome back to the Rochester Museum and Science Center. Thanks for joining us. And today, the demonstration is going to be the Pringles rocket. And once again, we're going to be using a fuel, and that fuel is going to be hydrogen. If you know, hydrogen happens to be the #1 element in the universe, #1 element on the periodic table, and it is the lightest element, which means that it does tend to, people would say like helium is lighter than air. It's just less dense than all the rest of the air. And hydrogen is even less dense than helium. But for today, we've got it inside of this beach ball, so it's not going to be doing any floating. But what we're going to do is we're going to load up our Pringles can with it. This Pringles can, it's a holiday one. It's probably about 5 years old, but I like it so much. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to fill this up with hydrogen. Then we're going to light the top, and hydrogen is very explosive, very volatile, but the cool part is, well, you'll see, it'll take a little while.
It will be a delayed reaction.
A delayed reaction indeed. I'm going to put my earplugs on right away because it's a little bit loud, and you guys at home, you might want to turn the television down a little bit in a second or a few. And so here we go. Mark, if you could hold that just for a second.
Sure.
Because I've got to turn around and do, put that inside.
All right.
Ah.
Can you feel it coming out?
Yes, I just like to feel the wind on my face. Actually, I just want to make sure that all the air is out because it's important, because fire to burn needs not only fuel but oxygen. And what we're going to do is deprive the hydrogen of oxygen right away because, well, it'll light like a candle. You've got that lit?
I've got it lit. I'm all set.
All right, we can go ahead and
All right, here we go. Ready?
light away.
We're lighting it away.
There it goes. It'll take about, I don't know, 15 or 20 seconds. So, talk amongst yourselves.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.
I could have dove for it, but it's still spring training.
That's right.
No sense in hurting yourself before a big game. So there it goes. Hold on, let me grab that.
Yep, we're going to bring that back up. Now, we used to put the Pringles, still leave the Pringles in there, but, you know.
But it kind of stopped it from making it all the way to the ceiling. When you come to the Rochester Museum and Science Center and you see a show here in the Bausch Auditorium, take a look at some of the ceiling tiles. They'll have some indentations that are not unlike that of a diameter of a Pringles can. And that is our Pringles rocket. Be sure to tune in again to rmsc.org and catch the rest of our things that are out there for you to do.